Hello guys, my name is Xavier Mitchell, and this is my second attempt at screen reading. So the first one I did not do it correctly as far as saving the file. So this is my second time doing it right now. Hopefully I can do it right so that way I can share it to the thread. So we're gonna go it, and I'm gonna go first by looking at the visualization of the comic, of the page layout. Everything is separated, except for one area. If you notice, one section of the panels are not. Oh shoot! One section of the panels are not separated. Let's see. Let's just go up to the top right here. Okay, so the last page. This is going to the second page. This is another part of town. This is basically what's happening. What I'm seeing right now, just from without reading the text, is that you are starting to see all the difference of the Fantastic Four. So we'll go right here. So this is, I believe, is action to action, because the new thing, first she's here and then she becomes invisible. So in another part of the town, Susan Storm is having tea with a science society friend when she hears the word omnibus. Hears ominous words. Susan looks, look, those words in the sky, what do they mean? So it has happened at last. I must be true to my vow that there can be no turning back. Susan, she's gone, but where, how? It is time for the world to meet the invisible girl. So she shows what her powers. So basically telling what the invisible girl is. Hey, what's going on? Something rushed past something unseen. Stand aside, I have no time to lose. It is a ghost. And you see, this is the moment to moment or sequence already happened. Like, you didn't see her get to that part, but she already rushed past everybody. And you see the aftermath of what happened. And she's invisible and nobody sees what's going on. Just what I need, empty cab. Boy, what a dull day. I might as well cruise around till I pick up the fare. Thank you, I'll get out of here, okay? And so he's thinking the ghost not knowing on. Like I said, we are getting a chance to see what the invisible girl can do. What is, pretty much the sum of her powers per se as a Fantastic Four. So we have, things that are like sequencing to the sequence, what's leading to the next thing. And so basically she's invisible, but she's still tangible. Like, she can still grab things. She can still speak, and still be heard. If you notice, read the text. Huh? Wait. Who said that? What? Not knowing that at first, you think invisible, you're not knowing that, oh, I don't know what's going on. The author did a really good job of basically telling exactly what the person is. And if you look at it, the bold letters, the invisible girl, then you got the unseen, all the way into a ghost, is basically and said what, like, these are things that are emphasized by the author in this panel. So you need to understand what exactly the invisible girl is. If you guys have any other feedback, give me some feedback on how I screen read this. I will get better at this as I get more and more understanding of the vocabulary, and how things are set up as we keep going.